Welcome to this video, and we're going to be looking at video game concept generator with OpenAI GPT3 model using the Mantium No-Code Platform. Video game concept generator is one of the cool applications you can build with GPT3. It's a text generation application, which means that you generate text, and this particularly resonates with a video game designer, video game developers who find it difficult to come up with ideas for their game, and you can let AI just do it for you. Also, the aim of this tutorial is to inspire you to take this idea further to develop creative models. You can use this to develop content generator for your tweet, for your blog post. It's still the same principle using the Mantium No-Code Platform. So let's get to it. Here's the Mantium No-Code Platform. You can get here by navigating to app.mantiumai.com and then navigate to AI Manager and then prompt. So here's where we're going to create the application. And if you watch our previous video, you can easily follow along. And I do recommend you watch the video on how to connect AI provider. I'll provide the link above and also in the description for you to check that out. It's the first step to do before building an application with the Mantium No-Code Platform. So let's start creating. So add a new prompt. Here you want to provide detailed information about the AI. You provide the name and then the description. So let's do that. So the name for this application is video game concept generator. You can call it anything you want, but just provide detailed information that would help you pick your application in the list of the prompt. So add the description. So I will say a video game concept generator with OpenAI. Okay, yes, then I'm here to select the provider. So let's select the provider, and the provider is OpenAI because we are working with the OpenAI GPT3, and then the endpoint is a completion endpoint. If you want more information about this, check the link in the description below. I have an article that provides detailed information about this in the description. So model, I'll select the OpenAI model. I'll select text DaVinci 001, and then let's work with the prompt. So in the prompt, we are going to write the name of the game, the genre, and then the concept, and that will take a form of the description, which is what the model will complete. Just like our previous video, I prepared prompt detail, which I'll also provide the link for in the description below, and then you can copy that. So let's take a look at the prompt we are going to work with for this use case. So the title of the game is New World, which is a popular game, and the genre is MMORPG, which stands for massively multiplayer online role-playing games, and then player versus player PvP, a massive multiplayer adventure. So I just provided the genre information, and then a description of the game, which states explore a thrilling open world MMO field. Just went on to provide detailed description about the game. So, and then I provided a Metacritic score. You can find all this online. And then I added the stop sequence, the title for another game. So I added a bunch of examples, and I've explained how the prompting work with the example pattern, which will provide that to the model. And if you want more information, also read the article in the description below. So let's go ahead to provide more information about this particular prompt, and that would mean providing the response length and then the temperature. So for the response length, I'll add 200. So I want the response length token to be 200, and temperature is 0.9 because, like I said, temperature controls the creativity of the response of the model. Higher temperature will provide more unique and creative output, and because we want more creative output for this game concept generator, I increased the temperature value. So let's add the stop sequence, which is also this. So I'll just copy and then I'll paste it right here. So that's the stop sequence, and then I provided all the information about the prompt. So before I deploy, like we used to, I can also test this out, and how to test this out is to provide a title. So let's provide a funny title. So I'll say YouTube games. So, and then let's hit the test run, and let's see what we get back from the model. Great. So we got the genre simulation social media multiplayer. So it says YouTube game is a simulation game that allows players to create their own YouTube channel and grow their audience by uploading game content. The game is set in a virtual world that is based on the real world city of Los Angeles. The game allows players to explore the city, meet other YouTube gamers, and then collaborate on projects. How cool is this, right? So then create your own concept, try different keywords. I will provide a link to this deployed application also in the description. So I want you to test that out, come up with different concepts, and let's hit the deploy button so that you can see how to deploy this game, and then you can share with others on Twitter, on different social media, for them to also come up with different concepts using this cool application that I've built without writing any line of code. So let's deploy that. So here I have the information of my deploy prompt. So I provided the name, description, author name. Then make sure you have this input feed check, and then also make it public, make it live, and add this. I have followed my provider go live requirement, and then hit the deploy button. So Mantium will spin up a single page web application for you, which you can test out. So let's do the same testing, and let's provide YouTube games, and let's get a very cool response. So execute, and that would execute and give us the response from the model. So yeah, so it says now we have a different output because these models are stochastic in nature, and then the output varies based on executions. So let's see, genre is casual multiplayer simulator. So the description is YouTube games is the ultimate gaming experience where you can play with your friends and other gamers from around the world. It's a variety of games to choose. So it's just a different thing. I can hit execute again to get a different output, different response from the model. So it says YouTube games is a casual game that allows players to experience the life of a YouTuber. So try this out with different keywords, different concepts, and also you can extend this to generate content for your tweet. If you also tweet on different social media platforms, or if you write articles, if you are a content generator, you can make use of this for product description generator as well if you sell e-commerce product. So the possibilities are endless, and I want you to try this. Let me know in the comment section what you come up with, and also share with your friends. Welcome to the end of this video. So join us on Discord if you need any help building this application. Feel free to message me on Discord. I'll be happy to help you build cool applications with the Mantium No-Code AI platform, and I'll see you in the next video.